Hey, hi guys, how are you? So my husband said I needed to show more of my face in the camera, so here I am, showing my face in the camera. It is super hot out today, hot and humid. Guarded in zone 8A, Georgia, it is like 85 and humid. But I just want to show you real quickly. I ordered two different kind of fruit tree, an avocado and a mango tree from Fast Growing Trees, and I just want to do an unboxing just to see what it's like. This is my first time buying from this company. I had bought I bought the same thing from them on the 19th of May, and it was supposed to be 2 to 3 days delivery, and it is now June the 4th. So what had happened was apparently FedEx lost the package, and I had called them a week prior to it's supposed to arrive. So I ordered it the 19th. Like on the 29th, I called the company and said, hey, my tree hasn't come and there is no update from FedEx. So they gave me a little bit of a discount, and then they resend me another package of the same kind of tree. So this one has arrived today now. I think I ordered that on the 31st, I believe, and then now it is June 4th. So it is finally here. And here it is, the long awaited tree. Now, this tree requires a zone 9 through 11, which you can plant it outside. Since I garden in zone 8A, I have to put it in a pot, and then in the winter time when it gets too cold, I will have to bring it inside. So that's the game plan for now. I bought 2 pots for them. And I'm just gonna do the unboxing real quick. I'm not sure how quick it is, but so as you can see, it says lay flat this side up, but it came looking like this. So I guess I should really lay it the way it should have came, which is like that. Looks pretty hardy box. Got my stainless steel knife in case I needed it. All right. So let's see what I have here. Here is the avocado tree in this little box, bag, pot. Okay, let me get them both out of the box first, and then we will unwrap them. And then this one, oh, that one's heavy. Look at all the leaves they lost. Considering that they sent it on the 31st and it's only been 5 days, it definitely lost quite a few of its leaves already from the box. That looks like it's all from the mango. Okay, so I think this is the first order that was lost, because you can see on the order date it was for 5/17, which is when I ordered it from Fast Growing Company, and it says 2 to 3 days delivery. 1 Glen mango tree and 1 condo avocado tree. So this is the one that got lost, and apparently they must have found it because they sent it to me. Now, I did give my opinion to the fact when I called the Fast Growing Tree Company, and I told them that I would prefer not to receive the tree from the order on 5/17, because technically it's been 2 weeks in a box in a storage warehouse somewhere, which, as you can see, the condition of it is not great. So he was like, well, we're just gonna resend you your order. And then I ask them what's gonna happen if they send me the original order, because I don't want to pay for FedEx shipping to send it back to them. So I rather that they keep it and send it back to the company and send me my new tree. Apparently they didn't get that order either, because as you can see, here's the order date. Sorry, I'm not trying to get all my information to you guys, but here's the order date, order number. It says order date 5/17. So this is the original ones that got lost. They did say if it happens to come to me, then to please keep it or donate it or give it away while I wait for my new one. So the new one should have technically come today, which they said it should be here on Friday, which today is Friday the 6th, the 4th, the 6/4/2021. As you can see, this avocado tree looks pretty sad. I would be pretty disappointed if it came looking like this from Fast Growing Tree Company. If I spend over $100 for an avocado tree and it looks like this. And let's see how the mango tree looks. I'm pretty sure it's not in great shape either. Look at all the leaves coming apart from being boxed up for over 2 weeks in a warehouse. This mango tree was a little bit more expensive. So you know, you pay what you get. So I had spent a little bit more money in hope to get, let me see, is that even in the, come on, okay. So I spent a little bit more money on these two because I was expected to get a better quality of tree. This is something it looks like you can get from Walmart, Home Depot for like $14. And I definitely did not pay $14 for that. And I spent over, I think this mango was $120. Now if this comes to you looking like this, granted the box 3-gallon size is great, but I don't care about the pot. I care about the tree and how it looks. It lost majority of its leaves, and whatever leaf is left, I don't know about. So what I'm going to do is, looks like it's grafted, and I don't know. I feel like the grafting is not very good on this tree. So avocado is over here, grafted. Here's the graft union. You guys see that? So here's the grafted. It looks all right. Not the kind of quality I would expect though. But hey, it's growing, I guess. Sort of. It's like a Charlie Brown avocado tree. And this is the Charlie Brown mango tree. So this, because it says that the order was for 5/17, I am assuming that this is the original order, so I'm gonna keep it. And then I'm hoping that my other order will come and not be lost. I'm gonna call the company just to tell them, hey, I got the order, the original order, and it came and it looks pretty sad. I would like to hopefully get my new order that I put in on the 31st to replace this one. And since they said I want to keep it, I would like to keep it or maybe give it to one of my neighbors once I kind of get it back to its full health. But definitely looks pretty sad for being in a warehouse for 2 weeks, which I anticipated, you know, because every tree needs a little bit of water and sunlight and not be cooped up in a box in a warehouse somewhere that was lost. I don't know about this grafting union right here though. You guys see that? Ooh. I don't know. To support the hopefully amount of mangoes you may get, I don't know if this grafting will hold, but hopefully it does. Looks like it's starting to like split already. So there's good quality of grafting and there's bad quality of grafting, you guys. If you haven't noticed the difference, this one, I don't know. I mean, the tree's still alive. I can't complain. But for spending the amount of money you spent on them, you would expect them to be in better condition, which I do. Give them credit. It's not the nursery's fault that FedEx lost their 2 to 3 day shipping, shipping arrangements that they have, and this comes over 2 weeks later. So yeah, hopefully they actually have my other order and not just be like, oh, we'll push the original order out and really not give her her first order, which I would be really disappointed. So I'm gonna look at the slip that the other one comes in and see when the order date is, which technically it should show the order date of May 31st and not May 17th. And then I guess I will update you guys to see if the company actually honors their word and send me a new one that I ordered. And then, yeah, maybe if I get more fruit, I can give them around to my neighbors or give them away to somebody else. Anyways, that is it for fastgrowingtree.com company. I mean, I've read the reviews. They've had really good review. I can't blame the company. I only blame FedEx for not getting it here. But hopefully Fast Growing Tree will honor their word and send me a replacement to replace these two sad looking one that's been in storage. And then I'll do another update. They did send some information, I guess more information on their company. And then it looks like maybe seasonal planting tips, caring tips for growing tree, tips for indoor, patio, and outdoor planting instruction, which is nice. I mean, everybody needs that. And I am a beginner gardener, so as much as possible, I would like all the information I can get. And it looks like you get some coupons for a friend and $10 off your next purchase at fastgrowingtree.com. Now, I did look at their guava tree, and I want to hold off before I get this and the other shipment in hopes that the plant itself will survive and do well. And if it does well, I do plan on buying another one from the nursery and hope that it comes in the day that it should have been delivered to me and not 2 weeks out. But again, like I said, I can't do a review based off the company if another third-party vendor messed up. So it's really not the actual company itself that messed up. It's just their company that they shipped the tree through. So I blame FedEx, not Fast Growing Tree, for getting this to me 2 weeks after its original order date. But hey, it came. I hope you guys don't have any lost one, but they did honor their word, and hopefully they will send me my other two and go from there. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.